Hello YouTube, I'm MC Go 101 and welcome to my channel. Today we're just going to do a quick video on how to remove window stickers or decals. Now I personally haven't done this one before. I don't think it's too hard, but we'll show you how I think it should be done. Did some quick research, it's easy peasy. So yeah, you may get a used vehicle that comes with stuff that you're not happy with. Um, I don't really care about the sticker, but it does affect rear view visibility. So that's a bothersome issue for me. So I'm just going to get rid of it. So a couple things you'll need. You're going to need a brand new blade. Um, so try and make sure that it's brand new. It has no rust, no debris on it, because any kind of rust will scratch your glass. A couple rags. I also have some soapy water, and I do have some glass cleaner. So we'll try using both. To get started, we're going to clean the area as best we can. I'll start with the glass cleaner. And the reason you want to get rid of all this dirt, dust, and debris is when you're actually scraping the sticker off, you don't want any of that dirt, dust, and debris to scratch into the glass. Just going to clean that up real good, best we can. Wipe all the excess off. If you're using glass cleaner, just be careful not to get it on any of your trims. You could spray right onto the rag and then apply cleaner that way. Some of the glass cleaners can be corrosive to seals, gaskets, rubber, that kind of stuff. All right. So we gave it a spray down with our glass cleaner. I'm going to use soapy water, or try to, and we'll get her sprayed up. And we're going to start slowly. Now you want your blade at a 45-degree angle. So that's not flat, it's not up like this, just on a nice angle. And you're going to slide it into that sticker. You can do slow motions, you can do quick, just go nice and easy. You'll see how the sticker is slowly peeling up. And then once you have a bit peeled, you can also use your fingers and get right under it. There's one part. Give her a bit more soapy water. So just take your time. It does come off nice and easy. As you can see, this is peeling up quite nice. Sticker must have been on there a while. It is pretty brittle. Excellent. Get more water. Tends to break less if you go gently with when you're pulling, and then just let the blade do the work. Beautiful. Now I'll be able to see through my back window, and hopefully I can avoid an accident. Um, yeah, so there's a tiny little residual outline. I'm gonna go find my Goo Gone, but I'll dry wipe that, apply some Goo Gone, and that should help pull it up. But yeah, this is just a quick way on removing window stickers from your vehicle. If you've never done it before, hopefully this helped. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.